Crafty Angels, Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And today I'm here with the hashtag time for art. And we are to do a video, and I'm going to do the processing of what I'm doing. Okay. So this is my sketch, and I'm doing a country kitchen. So, this is all led by the Mary Altier, and I will link her down below along with everyone else that's doing this hop. So my sketch is here, but this is going to all be interactive, and I'm going to try to do it to where it folds here and here, and these open. Okay, so I'm going to try my best to do that. I want this here also to be a window, and these I'm going to put all colors. I'm going to be using some paper like this. Maybe, I don't know how I'm going to do it yet because I'm just in the beginning stages of it, so I got to figure that part out. And I know I'm going to use some book pages to make it like an interactive thing. So this is just video process number 1 of my sketch that I'm going to be working with. Like I said, I'm going to try to have it folded here and here. But I got to figure out how I'm going to make this fold along with this. I might do this separate and this separate, so everything folds the way I want it to. So this is video number 1 for this, and we have to have everything done by September 10th, I believe. Everything will be listed down below in the comments and in the description box. So I'm starting now to lead up to a finished project. So let's get this started with video number 1, and here's my sketch. Thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't already, hit that big red subscribe button down below and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content. And please be blessed, be safe, stay safe, be crafty, stay crafty. Love and light to all. Happy crafting on a budget. Happy everything on a budget. And I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye-bye for now.